Jen, and this is my channel, Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm super excited to have every single one of you here. Today we are here to do a Tagless Tuesday. These are my favorites questions that were created by Jay over at Average J. So big thanks to him for setting this up. I will make sure I put his channel down below as well as all the other participants in this tag. So make sure you go check them out. I am here with my husband, Steve. He has the questions on his phone. Let's get started.
Okay.
Thanks for showing them your phone because I'm pretty sure they might have been confused.
Well, I just had to prove that I actually had my phone.
Oh, okay, good job.
Yeah. All right, question number 1. What is your favorite vacation spot?
Virginia Beach.
Yeah, I would agree.
That's kind of where we went as kiddos. My family vacationed there and he was stationed there, so yeah.
Yep. All right, what is your favorite TV show genre?
True crime and documentaries.
Yeah. Yep, when we go to bed, that's what we're watching. True crime and documentaries.
Pretty much.
Adult animation. And not like adult, but like Family Guy and South Park. That kind of adult animation. I like watching that stuff.
Yep.
King of the Hill and... Yep.
Great North.
Great North, yes, that's right. That's a good one. So, Great North. All right, what is your favorite automobile brand?
You go first.
I would say Pontiac. I know it's not really a brand anymore, but my favorite car was a Pontiac, so Pontiac.
I don't really know. I don't really have one. I like all of them.
Okay. What is your favorite store-bought snack?
Oh my gosh. All of them? I like to snack in general. Favorite store-bought snack, though? What would you say mine is?
Well, you really like those Smart Sweets. You just stock back up on those.
Yeah, Smart Sweets. I do like those. Yours are Bueno Bars and Reese's Peanut Butter Cups.
Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, yeah, number 1. Followed close second with Bueno Bars.
Yep.
Sí, es muy bueno.
Yes.
Sí. All right. What is your favorite hotel chain?
Do we have a favorite hotel chain?
Cheapest?
No.
Well, no. I'm going to take that back.
No.
Motel 6? No.
Yeah. It's not what the pictures look like. You're kidding me.
It was shot with a really wide
angle
lens.
Both going to get attacked.
Yes.
It was awful.
Yes,
awful.
Terrible.
He slept right through it. I did not. I'm pretty sure we had a... Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, there was some stuff going on.
Neighbors were loud.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, what? I don't know. I mean, we've stayed in all kinds of different hotels, so don't really have a favorite. Not
a hotel chain. We had a favorite hotel, but it closed.
Yeah. So. Yes. Yep. All right. What is your favorite movie?
What question is this?
This is question number 6.
Okay. Favorite movie?
Yes, favorite movie.
Gosh, I have so many. I like Under the Tuscan Sun, though. Can always go back to that one.
I was thinking Elder Sister for you.
I know, I do like that one, but I'll look for Under the Tuscan Sun before I look for that one.
Okay, all right, fair enough. Mine's Xanadu.
Yeah.
Little 80s roller rock movie. All right, question 7. What is your favorite season? Not seasoning, season.
Summertime. I like the heat.
Late summer, early fall.
Means snow's coming.
Winter's coming.
Old.
I am, thank you.
I
know. Question number 8. What is your favorite YouTube channel that is not one of the normal Tuesday No Tag channels?
Oh, yeah. Steve's channel, Average Model Guy. Yep. Or Mary Catherine Loves Cats, or Opinionated Horsewoman, or any of my other friends, because I have tons and I love them all. Lots of good channels. Lots. I couldn't pick just one. Except for his, of course.
Thank you.
Because he threatens me.
I don't threaten.
He said if I didn't say that it was my favorite, that he was going to eat my dinner.
Well, that's not merely threatening. That's supporting your weight loss journey.
Next question.
I didn't even get the intro.
Oh, well, hurry up then.
Prime Model Works is one of my favorites.
Oh, I like that one too.
He's a good guy. I like him. If you're into scale modeling, he's a good one to watch. So, yep. All right. Question number 9. What is your favorite type of household pet?
Dog.
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 Yep.
Yep. And question number 10. What is your favorite board/table game?
Oh my gosh, what is mine? I like Uno. Does that count?
Yeah, it's a board/table game.
All the Uno games.
Mine would like board game would be Monopoly, card game would be Skip-Bo.
Yeah, Skip-Bo's fun too. Definitely, definitely.
Yep. And that is it. That is all 10 questions.
Well, those were quick and painless.
I know. I mean, we really got under 10 minutes on this one.
It's probably our most boring tag ever.
Yeah, it's been a rough week.
No mention of a hovercraft or anything.
Oh, get off the hovercraft thing. Jeez.
No. Every Tuesday, you guys are going to hear about Steve's hovercraft. If you missed that, I will link that video right up here in the corner for you. It's awesome. Our best tag yet.
Yeah, that one is by far our best.
It was really good. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave your answers down below for us, and make sure you go check out all the other participants. If you have a YouTube channel, let me know. And I will post your channel down below as well, so we can come over and check out your answers. And if you are interested in participating in this tag on a regular basis, just let me know and we can get your name added to the weekly email. Alright guys, that's everything we have for you, unless you have something else you think you need to say. No, I'm going to be a good boy this week. Perfect. Alright guys, I hope you have a fantastic week. Thanks so much for joining us, and until next time, keep smiling. Bye guys.